So let's try to rewrite this number here, 0.00000000035. Try to write that in scientific notation. The number is so small, it's hard to even read. So if I look at place values, we have like tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000ths, 100,000ths, millionths, 10 millionths, 100 millionths, billionths, 10 billionths. So that'd be like 35 billionths if I was trying to read it. So again, either way I look at it, this number really doesn't have much grasp for me. I don't really know what it actually, I couldn't describe it, except I knew that it goes with the human cell. So I know it's got to be really, really light. That's about it. So moving on into changing it to scientific notation. Again, the first thing is your A has to be between 1 and 10. It can't equal 1, but it has to be under 10. That thing is this N has to be an integer. And integers can be negative or positive whole numbers. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, or I could have -1, -2, -3, so forth and so on. It's got to fit in that pattern. It's got to be a positive or a negative whole number. So the first thing we had to do is create this A. So to make this A, what we pick up on is we have to move the decimal to make a number between 1 and 10. So right now the decimal is located over here, so I have to move it 1 place value, 2 place values, 3 place values, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 place values, 9 place values. That creates a number between 1 and 10, 3.5. So I put that 3.5 down. So that's the big thing, is you got to move the decimal until you make a number between 1 and 10. So 3.5 would be between there. Times 10 to the, now what happens is we lost place values this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 place values. And to demonstrate a loss of 9 place values, I'm sorry, we actually gained 9 place values. We increased by 9 place values, which means we got to lose 9 place values, and therefore I have to use a -9 to make the decimal go back the other direction. So yeah, we actually was a very small number. We got up to a number that I'm familiar with, 3.5, but since we were increasing place value to create that, we got to use a -9 to offset that and lose 9 place values. And so what it kind of boils down to is you'll use positive exponents for really large numbers, and you'll be using negative exponents to represent really large, small numbers. And that can kind of help out recognizing which way to go. And we also talked about, 10 to the -9 means you got to move the decimal 9 places back to the left, and that should create the original number. So these are what we would say are equivalent. That should conclude that for us.